2019 Chevrolet Suburban 5.3L, 2.128 million pesos. 2019 Honda City Automatic, 386,000 pesos. Mahal ba ang mga ito o napakamura na? Kung interested kayo, bili na sa RCBC Cars for Sale. Panoorin nyo itong vlog na ito hanggang sa huli para malaman nyo how to buy ng mga repo cars sa RCBC. Hi everyone! Welcome to Seth Stuff. Ganda ba ng hat ko? My fedora hat. Anyway, again, welcome to Seth Stuff. My name is Seth. And for this episode of Seth Stuff, hindi muna ako mag-representa ng mga sasakyan na binibenta sa RCBC warehouses. But sa halip, I will be sitting down to answer some of the common questions that I received from my recent videos about RCBC repossessed cars for sale. So, sasagutin ko yung mga questions nyo. So, ano ba yung mga questions na yan? Number 1, saan ko makikita or makakakuha ng copy ng list of cars for sale ng RCBC? Yung number 2, saan ko ba makikita or mapupuntahan ang mga sasakyan na binibenta ng RCBC? And number 3, paano ako bibili ng sasakyan sa RCBC? Pwede ba financing or auto loan? So yeah, stick around because I will be answering these questions one by one. Okay?
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Okay guys, ang first step nga naman para makabili ng sasakyan sa RCBC ay makakuha ng listahan or inventory. So paano? Simple lamang magpunta sa official website ng RCBC. May dalawang pamamaraan. Number 1, go to www.rcbc.com at pagdating mo sa homepage, hanapin ang search bar at i-type cars for sale. Or kahit type mo lang ay cars, dadalhin ka na sa page kung nasaan ang listahan ng mga binibentang sasakyan. Ang second way naman ay i-type mo lang sa bar ng browser mo www.rcbc.com/rcbccarsforsale. At pag ginawa mo ito, you will be directed to the page where you can view or download the list of cars for sale. Sa ngayon, as I speak, there are 2 different cars for sale lists. Isang list for cars for sale via sale bidding at ang isa naman ay list for cars for sale no bid required. So, ano ang pinagkaiba ng dalawa? Pag clinic mo ang cars for sale via sale bidding, makikita mo ang mga units na mabibili mo sa pagsali sa public sale bidding. Well, obvious ba? Nakasaad naman doon ang instructions kung paano sumali sa sale bidding. You really have to spend time reading the entire mechanics. Itong mga units na kasali sa RCBC sale bidding ay mga freshly repossessed cars by the bank. So lahat ng mga bagong hatak na sasakyan ay kailangan muna dumaan sa public auction or public sale bidding. Ngayon, if you click naman the button for cars for sale, no bid required, you will get the list of cars na hindi nabenta sa previous car sealed bidding. Para sa mga ayaw mag-join ng sealed bidding, dito kayo sa no need to bid. Basahin maigi ang mga steps on how to make a purchase. Lagi niyong pupuntahan ang page na ito kasi from time to time ay nagkakaroon ng mga units with lowered prices unannounced. Again, go to the website of RCBC, which is www.rcbc.com/RCBCcarsforsale. And from there, scroll down until you find the button that says See List of RCBC Warehouses. Click on it and you will be presented with a table containing the 10 RCBC auto warehouses nationwide with their corresponding addresses. Check nyo din ang column How to Get There. Naka-indicate doon ano ang isa-search nyo sa Waze or Google Maps for directions. For example, ang sabi dito, para malaman mo ang way to RCBC Las Piñas Warehouse, just type RCBC Las Piñas Warehouse sa search box ng Waze or Google Maps apps mo. Please take note that all auto warehouses are open daily, Monday to Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. except public holidays. No need to set an appointment. Direct walk-ins are welcome.
RCBC accepts cash or financing for payments. So, for example, if nanalo ka sa sealed bidding, may option ka if you want to pay for the unit in full cash or through financing via RCBC Auto Loan Program. So kung financing ang gusto mo, you have to apply for RCBC Auto Loan. To learn more about RCBC Auto Loan Program, just visit www.rcbc.com/autoloans. Actually, lahat ng gusto mo malaman sa RCBC Auto Loan Program ay nandoon. And please check the RCBC Auto Loan Calculator. At pag nasa RCBC Auto Loan Calculator ka na, based on your down payment, it can compute kung magkano ang iyong magiging monthly amortization. Cool, di ba? So I hope marami kayong natutunan from this episode of Seth Stuff. So kung may bala kayong bumili ng sasakyan, especially kung second-hand cars yan, alam nyo na ang gagawin. Okay? So watch the episodes in my channel to give you tips and to give you some options in buying really affordable second-hand cars. Okay, hanggang sa muli. Thank you for watching Seth Stuff. Kita-kits ulit tayo. Bye!